first of all, thank you, Harsh, for inviting me to share my experience with ATA. So my name is Palnivel Rajan Subramanian, and I'm shortly called PVR, and I'm based in France. I work for one of the top 5 Indian IT global companies, and in my role as a customer delivery manager, I'm responsible for delivering IT and consulting and digital transformation services for our customers. Our main customer here in France is an aerospace defense major. And my other role as a consulting partner, I am responsible to provide consulting and value-added solutions and support to a few other customers in the region. So it's about me. Overall, it's a really very nice and very enriching and learning experience, Harsh. And I was the factor which most struck me and I really enjoyed is doing really hands-on. Because it's not just going through slides, somebody is teaching and walking through slides explaining. We seldom used slides. We were coming to the slides only when needed to refer to some instructions. Otherwise, most of the times we were hands-on. I was really amazed by the setup, the readiness provided from your institution, ATA. So we were given with one virtual system with all tools required for the entire DevOps CI/CD pipeline. It was available for us for almost 10 days from the time the training started until that time we do our testing, exercises, and finally to prepare for the exam. So the experience overall has been very enriching. Thanks for that. I scored good marks, 83%, and I just cleared it today. Just before this call, I received my provisional certification. So I was really happy to have that. And the exam was itself really interesting as well. So it had an hour of theory with 40 questions in 60 minutes. And it was not difficult. It was because once you understood the concept through the course and you have done a hands-on, so you are not just answering from your memory, right? You are answering from your experience. So that was really making a difference on when I'm answering about a command or something, then I know why I'm saying that, right? So it made a difference in the way answering the questions in theory part. And the practice part was, again, very interesting because we were given a sample project. So we were able to demonstrate many of the key learnings about the CI/CD tools and commands and that we learned in the class. We were able to practice and reply in the exam by performing that project. And when you see the results coming and showing on the screen, you are seeing what you want to see. It's really a good experience. Thanks. I must mention that, Harsh, that I'm not coming from a development background. So I've not done any coding other than what I did in my engineering college. After that, I don't have any hands-on. So when I went through the course, before the course, I had some doubts that can I do this because without an experience. But the way the course was designed, the exercises were set up, and especially the trainer, the way they run through the course, I did not feel that I was lacking any technical experience. So it was quite easy. And when I finished the exercises, the exam, then now I know why the developers have the kick of achieving something when they do coding, right? I could experience that myself. Yes, I will answer that. But first, I want to thank the ATA for organizing such a very productive, practical experience session. It's a 3 days. I thought it's 3 days is going to be tiring and very intensive and boring. Absolutely not. From morning starting at 10 o'clock till the time it finishes, we got hardly any minute we were bored. So it was really very well designed course with completely hands-on. And I must really appreciate and thank our trainer Prashant Beniwal. I think in the recent times, he's probably one of the best trainer I have come across. And he was very patient, very experienced. And he does not hesitate to say, if he does not know something, he says, I don't know, I will find it out, right? And so that brings a level of authenticity. And he's able to teach, ensures that each of us, we were a group of about 7 or 8 people, I think. So he ensured that each of us understood every concept, each of us tested the commands, the parts of the exercise. So it was really thankful to Prashant for that sincerity that he showed, that we need to learn something. So that is my one comment I want to say. Generally, I like sightseeing, taking advantage of being in France and Europe. So I go to see many places during holidays. I read a bit, and I do a little bit of health activities, not heavy weight or something. Normal cardio exercises, listening to music, and so on. That's about me.